leave them under you since you want it so bad.